the proposed budget for next year of the OBP went through the Senate with least resistance because almost all endorsed the OBP's budget. And yesterday, it was practically the House that bullied and they had to reset the hearing on the OBP. What's your take on that, sir?
Hanggat maaari, ayoko pang himasukan ng proseso ng Kamara. But my take on it, dahil pinanood ko kahapon, tila hindi sang-ayon at sanay si Vice President Duterte na tinatanong siya, hindi siya sinasang-ayunan. Sa kabila naman, pinakita ng Kamara, yung haba din naman ng kanilang pasensya. Maliwanag sa napanood ko kahapon na tila hindi isang kaibigan si Vice President Sara sa ilang miyembro ng Kamara at sa Kongreso kahapon. Sana magbago yun sa susunod na pagdinig.
But it gives us the impression that the Senate is friendlier to the Vice President. Why is it so?
Or the opposite is true. Even the Vice President is friendlier to the Senate as well. I'm not here to judge, again, between the House and the Senate. Neither will I compare. May kanya-kanya kaming trabaho, may kanya-kanya kaming estilo, may kanya-kanya kaming papel na dapat gampanan kaugnay sa kanila.
You were a former congressman yourself. How would you handle that kind of work?
Wag naman, ayoko pang himasukan yung sa Kamara. Inter-chamber courtesy dictates that I do not intervene, interfere, suggest, nor to tell them what to do or what not to do. Alam na po nila.